Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I teamed up with Viva pop-up towels to bring you this vlog. These soft disposable paper towels clean just like a cloth, and they come in this super cute portable and convenient box of towels. The design allows you to leave these in areas that you normally wouldn't want a paper towel roll, and there's so many different designs to choose from. The easy-to-pull single sheets from the pop-up dispenser make cleaning up messes super easy, and if you have a baby or kids in general or animals, these are super convenient. We keep a box in the car as well. I would totally recommend these Viva pop-ups for any of you mamas out there or anybody in general because they're just super convenient and easy to use.
Good morning, everybody. It's the weekend, so trying to let Tiff sleep in. I got a hungry, fussy Tanner over here, anxious rookie, and some Mickey waffles going. Carter's watching Boss Baby. Tiff's sleeping. So it's a rainy day. Not sure what we're gonna do today, but we'll be together, so it'll be fun.
Yeah.
Tanner's getting blueberry. Carter just wanted regular. With blueberries on the side, right?
Yeah.
Daddy said no whistle while mommy sleeps, right? And Carter said, I'm gonna wake mommy up with this whistle.
Yeah.
That's not nice. How you doing, Tan-Man? Carter just went and woke Tiff up, so gotta make hers, and of course, hers get chocolate chips. My blueberry mess. Your blueberry waffle mess. Pancakes. Got Tiff's breakfast in bed ready to go. Just need a paper towel. Don't worry, Tan-Man. I'll be back for you. I promise. Whoa, that was close.
Thanks, honey.
Anything?
Says thank you too.
Anything for the best mom and wife ever.
Oh, you're so sweet, honey. So soft. Honey, the whole point of the table is so that you have it up here.
Yeah.
Yeah. At least mommy got to finish my pancake before you stole the table, right?
Oh, share.
Oh, you're sharing with me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Mommy is good sharing, huh?
Now, mommy eat real food.
I ate real food?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Carter eat shake.
And Carter ate Shake Shake, but you already ate your Mickey pancake downstairs, right? You're so cute. Did you have a spill?
No.
It's okay. Here.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Clean it up.
I'll do.
All clean. These are perfect. Seriously. I can't even tell you how many cleanups a day we have. What about you guys? How many cleanups do you have a day with your toddlers and babies?
Uh-oh.
See? Here you go.
Yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome, honey. Is tomorrow Mother's Day?
Yeah.
Are you gonna get me a prize?
Yes.
Yeah, I can't wait to open it from school. I love it.
And it's fine.
It's a good surprise.
Yeah.
The bag is so pretty that you made me.
Yeah.
You
I'm going to say Happy Mother's Day.
are?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so sweet. Such a good, sweet little boy.
Ready? You're free. Off me. Go. Went cleaned out, just pull out some old baby toys. It's like 9 o'clock and Tanner's already whining and crying about everything. So I think he needs a nap.
You're gonna get your vitamin?
Yeah.
Yeah? We really wanted to go to the ZOO, but it's really gross out. I've been dying to take him. He hasn't been since he was like, before he was walking, so this would be way cooler for him. But we're looking for something to do. It's a yucky day outside. So I am on my way to pick up some breakfast sandwiches, and it has seriously like been my addiction since I've been pregnant with Ella is turkey, bacon, egg and cheese on a gluten-free everything bagel. Like, I need it. I'm so excited to get it and it's delicious. The one time I actually was craving so much salt that I got a salt bagel with it, and you know, like turkey bacon is already salty, but totally hit the spot. I was getting super lightheaded this pregnancy, and my doctor said to actually eat more salt so that I retain more water instead of peeing every 2 seconds. And I know like that doesn't go for everybody, but since I've been eating more salt, my dizzy spells have definitely gone away. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blame it on eating salt. That's why I crave it. I got the goods. It smells so good. I don't know how I'm gonna wait until I get home. I can refrain. I can refrain. Right, Ella? Feed you soon.
I got millions, I just bullshit 'cause it's in my DNA. I got millions, I got riches building in my DNA.
Mommy and Carter are now napping, which leaves Daddy as the only one who hasn't napped today, but whatever. Thought it'd be a good idea to take Tanner for his first ever bike ride. So he's all suited up, ready to go. Tan man, you ready? Yeah. See what he thinks. Going really nice and slow to start, just to see what he thinks. What do you think, Bubba? Go faster? Wee! I don't know if he loved it, but he said wee a lot, so short one. So since Carter and Tiff are still sleeping, Tan and I decided we were gonna take a ride over, pick up Tiff's Mother's Day gift. Can't really say anything else about it, but her and my mom and her mom all got the same thing. So going to pick it up, and that way I have it for tomorrow. Happy Mother's Day to all you moms out there. Do you guys think that today feels like Mother's Day since you slept in, took a nap, got Starbucks,
I literally just said that on my story.
breakfast in
I
bed?
miss my Tanner so much. I barely got to see him. You napped for so long. You did mommy nap. You got me coffee. Thank you.
You guys are twins.
Mwah. Really? Oh, now poor Tanner is finally getting to watch Trolls. He always shows interest in it, but Carter wants nothing to do with it. So he's like in his glory now watching Trolls. Poor kid. You get to watch your Trolls? What happened? So cute. Dance again. What's going on back there? What's Burbo doing?
Pooping.
He's pooping? How do you know? Did he make a noise? What did he sound like? What did it sound like?
Uh-oh.
He's saying, uh-oh now.
Wake up!
Where are we going?
I feel again, I feel again, oh now I feel again, we're bringing this back to life. We're bringing this back to life. Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I will stay because I feel again, I feel again, oh now I feel again, we're bringing this back to life. We're picking up where we left off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense. We're bringing this back to life. Lucky boy.
So that was a lot of fun. Right, honey?
Yeah.
Tell them about the pictures.
Well, backstory. Anytime we ever see a photo booth since we first started dating, we always stop and take a photo booth picture.
It's our rule.
We'll insert some old ones here.
We will?
I don't know.
That seems like a lot of work.
It does. So we saw one and Carter got to pick what the theme was. And it's cats.
And you can't even see their faces at all. And we couldn't go back and change it. But you know what? It's a funny story.
That's our boys.
You too for a funny story?
Yes.
Was that so fun, baby?
Yes.
Yes.
That is so fun.
Wait, what?
That is so fun.
What about mommy?
No, Daddy.
Yeah, I think Daddy is pretty darn fun.
Happy Mother's Day to me.
I want my sis might like that goodbye.
You want me to put your juice in my diaper bag? You're so cute. mom life. That's dad life.
Such angels
It's a
here.
relaxing dinner, huh?
They really have been perfect the entire time. Daddy for a napkin, and you have to spit it into a napkin because you don't just spit out onto your plate in a restaurant. Okay?
You're so sweet for putting the boys in the car, honey.
It's ridiculous. So
Oh, it's lightning. Did you see the lightning, Pooh Bear?
Huh?
Did you see the lightning?
Huh?
The lightning!
Oh
Things are coming in handy. Big time.
no. Those are big.
Oh, you hear the thunder?
Yeah.
I think Rookie gets a little bit scared of the thunder, huh?
Yeah.
We're just gonna have to give him some extra snuggles, right?
Huh?
We're gonna have to snuggle Rookie some more, right? Gotta have to snuggle him and pet him so he is happy, right?
Hey, kid, what are you doing back there?
If you can tell me what movie that's from, we can be best friends. Because that is my favorite movie of all time.
Tell me what it's green. Hey, Connor! It's Mr. Napkin Face!
Yo, I told you, you can't touch this.
Yeah, Carter.
Why you standing there?
Look at this weather. Oh my goodness.
And tight, singles are fast as a white boy.
Babe, let me see your pants.
You can't touch this.
Yeah.
You can't touch this.
The boys are fresh out of the bath and we're just vacuuming up their room because when they're working on our bathroom, a lot of it, like the hammering and stuff came through the wall and made holes in their wall. And there's just like, they patched it up but there's like dust everywhere. We don't want them sleeping in that. Buzz! Hey Buzz! Mom got him new jammies, huh?
Yeah. Mama, little daddy.
Say thanks, Mom.
Thank you.
Boys are in bed. We're gonna end the vlog here and eat lots of ice cream and we're gonna watch a movie. Babe? Yes. Okay, always super awkward. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.
Standing on the edge of a cliff.